Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों समृद्धि प्रोजेक्ट developed by Ashish Group, and it's at Mira Road. So let's begin with the show. So, friend, this project Samriddhi is at Mira Road, and it is in joint venture with Gujarat Group and Ashish Group, and the company's name is AG Superstructures Private Limited. So, the biggest plus point of this project is that this building is ready, and this is how the elevation of the building is. And this building has around ground and two level of podium parking, and third level all amenities are given, and it has four wings, which is 20 floor building each. So each building is of 20 floor building, habitual floor, and all the amenities, as I told you, is given on the podium level and above the podium level, and some amenities are given on the rooftop. So this project is constructed by L&T, so definitely the construction quality is very good, and OC is received of this building. Occupancy, it's ready to occupy, and OC is ready. So you don't have to pay GST charges on this. Only you have to pay the cost, और उसके अलावा जो charges आएगा stamp duty, registration and society development charges. तो ये तीन चार्जेस रहेगा, उसके अलावा कोई चार्जेस नहीं है, और बाकी जो एग्रीमेंट वैल्यू का जो फ्लैट कॉस्ट रहेगा. सो दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट एंड वेरी वेल डिजाइन्ड एंड very decent look of the building. So this is how the elevation of the building is. It has around 4 wings, and you can see the podium parking below over here. These are the podium parking, so all the flats are getting one parking, 1 or 2 parking will be there, and very beautifully designed and very well colored building. So you can see the texture paint over here. So white and brown combination has been given. Even the top finishing has been designed very well, and rooftop amenities are given in this complex. And the biggest achievement is that this building is ready. So this is the plan of location plan of Mira Road. So when you see over here, this is Western Express Highway, which goes to Virar. And so moment you cross Daisar टोल नाका, ये जो रोड है ये मीरा भाईंदर रोड है, और यहाँ से जैसा आप लेफ्ट आते हो हाईवे से, आप मीरा भाईंदर रोड जो 90 फीट रोड है, यहाँ से 120 फीट रोड है, सॉरी, दिस इज 120 फीट रोड. और यहाँ से जब मीरा भाईंदर रोड के ऊपर आप आगे आते हो, तो कोई भी तरफ से आप लेफ्ट ले लो. अगर यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेते हो तो भी आप समृद्धि की तरफ आ सकते हो, या यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेके वापस लेफ्ट राइट लेके भी आ सकते हो, या बिल्कुल शॉर्टकट आना है इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में, तो आपको ये मीरा भाईंदर फ्लाईओवर आपको जंप करना है. और जैसे ही फ्लाईओवर खत्म होता है नीचे की तरफ, तो यहाँ से पहला डीपी रोड आप लेफ्ट लोगे, तो ये समृद्धि के ऊपर आप इस प्रोजेक्ट पर आओगे. तो इसका जो लैंड पार्सल है ये 4 एकड़ का लैंड पार्सल है, और इस 4 एकड़ में सिर्फ 35% कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए यूज किया गया है, और बाकी जो प्लॉट है वो सारा एमिनिटीज के लिए यूज किया गया है. तो यहाँ से आप इकोसिस्टम आप देखोगे. पहली बात तो रेलवे स्टेशन है वो काफ़ी नज़दीक है, और दूसरा जो दहसर तक अभी तक जो मेट्रो कनेक्ट हुआ है, जो अंधेरी से दहसर मेट्रो कनेक्ट हुआ है, वो आगे आके मीरा रोड में यहाँ पर कहीं पर उसका लास्ट स्टॉप होगा मीरा रोड में, और यहाँ से फिर मीरा रोड से आगे गोरबंदर रोड तक कनेक्ट होगा थाना के लिए, जो कि मेट्रो लाइन का जो नया रूट जो अभी काम चल रहा है मेट्रो लाइन का. और दूसरा यहाँ पर आप देखोगे, यहाँ से आपका जो JCC क्लब है, फिर दीपक हॉस्पिटल है, पुलिस स्टेशन, पेट्रोल पंप, स्कूल, दिस इज इंदिरा ओक फेज 1 बिल्डिंग, एंड गोल्डन नेस्ट, अगेन police chowki, golden nest is there. Then there is schools and lots of other shopping centers are there in the close vicinity of this area. So ecosystem is very good for this complex, और बहुत सारी ज़रूरत की जो सामान है वो आपको इस लोकेलिटी में ही आपको मिल जाएगा. अगर आप मेजर बड़ा मार्केटिंग अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो आप डेफिनेटली आपको मीरा रोड स्टेशन की तरफ आना है, और अदरवाइज भी मीरा भाईंदर रोड है, यहाँ पर काफ़ी शॉप्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, होटल्स वगैरह इस रोड के ऊपर भी है. So Samriddhi is rightly located in Mira Road, and this is at Mira Road East and very close from the station. Hardly it is 2 kilometer from the station. और अगर आप बाय रोड अगर आते हो तो बहुत ही हाईवे से तो काफी नजदीक है complex. This is how the isometric view of the building looks. So when you see over here, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 wings are there. Now this building is having combination of 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK flats. So when you see the amenities wise, you have you have top branded vitrified tile flooring in the entire apartment. Well designed and tiled bathrooms are there. That these are all anti-skid tiles are there. There aluminum sliding windows are there. Safety grills for the windows. ISI certified cabling and wiring is there, and plumbing and electrical connections of excellent quality, all branded quality. Solar hot water connection for every flat has been given, and in infrastructure you see well-designed garden at podium level, then swimming pool and gym, well-designed entrance lobby, 3 levels of covered car parking, including ground level first and second, so that's a 3 level. And security system wise, you have intercom, CCTV camera in building and wherever required, and modern high-speed elevator is there. Rest areas for drivers also there, and rainwater harvesting system. And the biggest plus point of this project is that this project has been pre-certified by the Indian Green Building Council for Gold Certified Green Building. So this is certified for green building. So friends, few glimpses of the sample flat. This is the view of the sample flat, and you see very beautifully designed sample flat is made, and there's a small deck also given over here, and this is the image of the hall. Then you see the elevation of the building is also very good, and this whole area is good populated area, so it is not very isolated building. Surrounding all buildings are there, and this building is located where everything is available at half a kilometer or 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer distance. This is again the image of the sample flat. So you see the French cut window has been given, and there's a small balcony is also provided with the flat. This is kids play area, or this can be used for other purpose also, for party or banquet hall or multi-purpose court or anything. Then fully equipped gym has been provided in this complex, and there is a rooftop amenities where there's a garden, there's a lawn where seniors can sit. You can go for yoga, for meditation, and even you can walk over here. So there is a rooftop amenities there where you can just go and relax evening time, have a beautiful view of the sky. So this is how the actual image of the rooftop amenities looks. So there is podium parking. Podium parking is as good as still parking. So every flat is having a podium parking. This is again the image of the bedroom. So very beautiful view from the bedroom. All the sides are open, and even the cross ventilation is very good in this flat. This is again the rooftop where you get a walking track from all the 4 corners. You get a walking track. Again, a view of the bedroom. This is again children bedroom. You can make it a children bedroom, and you can make it anything. Like if you're buying a 3 BHK, then you can either make it office, you can make a children bedroom, or you can use for any purpose, guest room, anything. So this is again the image of the gym. And the passcode for this building is Good Life, and we call it a Binder, but this is at Mira Road. Pin code changes over there, so it's at Mira Road, and it's developed by Ashish Group. So breathe easy and stay stress-free life in this complex. So friend, this is how the floor plan, master layout of the floor plan is. And when you see over here, each floor is having 8 flats. Now these are combination of 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK flats. So coming on the price point, when we see over here, so they have a slab for every floor from 1 to 7, 8 to 15 and 16 to 20. So different rates are there. But minimum rate starts from 1 CR. So for 732 2 BHK, 1 CR is the minimum rate, and for 746, 1 crore 3 lakhs is the minimum rate. Above this, you have to pay stamp duty, registration, and society development charges. For 2 BHK 830 carpet area, minimum rate is 1 crore 13 lakhs, and for 3 BHK 973 carpet area, minimum rate is 1 crore 35 lakhs. So this is the rate, and the biggest point, as I told you, there is no GST, OC is received, and only thing you have to make the payment. This is as good as you buy the resale or ready flat you buy. तो अगर आप इन्वेस्टर है तो आपको तो सिर्फ खरीदना है और आपको रेंट पे देना है, अदरवाइज, और अगर आप एंड यूजर है तो आप रहने के लिए जा सकते हैं. So friends, before I end the presentation, I will show you a small video. Just go through that video so you get better knowledge about project. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel. My number is written on the screen, 7400138561. For booking, you can contact me on this number. And thank you for watching this show. See you again with one more project, one more developer very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.